how to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. So let's get started. So if you want to change your TikTok video from widescreen all to full screen, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, open up your TikTok. After opening up your TikTok, now you just have to tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. After tapping on that, now you just have to take a video from your camera roll, or you can just simply upload it by tapping on upload which is on the bottom right. So after tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply select a video. For example, I'll just select this, and after selecting that, now what you have to do is just tap on select which is on the top right. After doing that, just simply tap on next which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on next, just simply remove any songs that are added in your video. From here what you can do is just simply tap on edit which is on the right side of your screen, and after tapping on edit, just simply select the video, and after selecting the video in your timeline, now in the bottom of your screen you will find the following options. What you have to do is just simply scroll towards the left, and after doing that, now you will find this rotate option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have successfully rotated your video. Now you can just simply resize that video according to your screen. And after doing that, now if you'll just play it, then you can find that the video has been changed from widescreen to full screen. So you can easily use this rotate option and then change your video to widescreen or to full screen. So after doing that, you just have to tap on next which is on the top right, and after tapping on next, now you can just easily post this video by tapping on post which is on the bottom right. So that's it guys, this is how to upload widescreen video on TikTok for full screen mode. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.